Ba KP Panyang Presiden ke HSPP ulong ba unum ya kendu ya menteri rang ba ka Asam uhmenta beswal haka apulai terik por bawan hasilong namar ba hak tegesngi unek selang pi banye kendu ya kipat ba hak tegesnong namar ba kipat ba nang te kim kwa banet sya ka Asam hine ki kwa bendon hak jelam megalayam.
The reason that I will go to Lampi on the 23rd is the day when the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya will come to Shillong for talk on the issue of border settlement. The reason that I have to go to Lampi, see my people there, because I hail from that area as a native of that area. People of that area, they want to know where to go, how to talk, where we stand at this point of time when the government of Assam and Meghalaya are going to hold a talk regarding this long pending issue. So it is my duty as a leader, it is my duty as the president of the party, since we are taking care of all those people residing in this area, that will give them the message that we want them to live peacefully, to maintain law amicably, tranquility should be maintained in the area. But regarding the problems, we have told everything and put our demand in the government, and I have briefed from my level what is the problem of the people residing there. So now we fully trust the wisdom and the responsibility of our Chief Minister to take care, to take into consideration their stand that they want to be part and parcel in Meghalaya. They want to be part and parcel in Meghalaya.
Right. So this will be
this matter. The Chief Minister has promised that he will again call each and every stakeholder into board to sit together again. Because last week only we have sit together, we have discussed together. Again, for further talk, we will again meet, we will again discuss, we will share our views and opinions. As I have mentioned earlier, yes, we are going to talk in between us, Assam and Meghalaya, through so-called constitutional mandate to take into consideration. At the same time, our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam saying that we will talk, we will discuss, we will settle on the spirit of give and take. At the same time, from my end, as one of the leaders of the party, keep on saying that we also need to hear, we also need to get the voice of the people, means the opinion of the people.
Right.
As we have seen so many proceedings in the past in between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Assam, saying that one of the points to put in place for settlement of the issue, we need to hear, we need to listen, we need to take the voice of the people also. I already started to go everywhere.
okay.
All those packet of dispute area, we are on the way now. And we had already visited some places unofficially, but we are trying to move and to meet each and every pocket of dispute area, so that we will get the clear voice and actual position, ground position of people of those areas.